Let me show you how we can use navbar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So the navbar is additional feature that we can use to control certain apps, certain services, and certain features on our phone. For example, if we go to settings and proceed to the lock screen and AOD, then in here we can find the navbar settings. Here you can exactly see which apps can be controlled, and in some cases you can toggle these apps. In some cases it is not possible to deactivate them for some reason. There's also the now brief option, current mode, do not disturb, and flashlight. All of this is manageable on the navbar. The navbar itself is accessible on the lock screen and on always on display. For AOD, you can enable or disable this option if you go to AOD settings in here. So now let's start using two apps, for example, that use the navbar. There we go. And also in here, we're gonna go ahead and open the clock, for example, and we're gonna start the timer. Now, if we go to the lock screen, we should be able to find the navbar over here at the bottom of the screen. If you tap on the app or feature that is running, you should be able to find additional options. So in the case of this clock app, I can count another lap, I can stop the counter, and so on and so forth. What you can also do is you can, for example, quickly pause. You can also swipe between all of these different notifications that you have on the navbar. So as you can see here, I can quickly swipe through all of them. And besides that, we can also find, as I mentioned, we can also find this navbar on AOD. However, unfortunately, you cannot really control. Well, you can actually control, apparently. I'm not sure why I can now, because in the past I couldn't do so. But now it seems that you can indeed control these options. Maybe if you double tap or something, but that would, yeah, so double tapping actually works in this case. But if you try to expand the navbar in order to find more options, then in that case you need to actually open the lock screen. You cannot really do so on always on a display. And that is pretty much it. So more or less, the navbar is a capsule that allows you to control certain apps that are running in the background or certain features that are activated. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.